Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you one of the best live TV as well as live sports apps which you can use on your Firestick totally for free. There are thousands of sports events from all over the world. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in that app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna blur it. And now, without further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you need to get an app called Loader to your Fire Stick, and you can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. And to do so, you just go to search on your device, and then here in the search bar, you start typing the Loader. And as you can see, the Loader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But now, after you got the Loader, it's not over yet. You still need to set it up. And to actually stop the loader, you gotta go to settings on your Fire Stick. So you click on that button with the gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick TV devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. You open them. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install known apps. From here, just locate the loader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and there you'll find the loader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast and they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use the loader safely. So you go back to the list of apps on your device and start up the downloader application. Then just wait until it loads for you. And after that, on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure you have clicked on Home. And now here in that search bar, we need to enter a code, which is going to be 6821881. So once again, 6821881. That's the code you have to enter. So enter it as you see on the screen, and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the download is going to start in just a couple of moments. As you can see, it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And then you have to click install, and now the app shall be installed on your Firestick device. And after it was installed, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files and save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space on it anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and there you'll find the sports app that we just loaded. So enjoy, and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. See you next time. Bye bye.